Luke. What are you doing, buddy? Are you getting some teeth? Are you getting some teeth? You like that hat? You're not going to take it off, huh? What are you doing? What is he doing? Hey. How's that plastic bottle? Yummy? Is it good? Okay. We'll say goodbye. You're liking that hat, though, huh? You're not going to take it off? No. What do you have now? Luke. Hey. Hey, monkey. Well, you still got the hat on. And then our other son's over here obsessed with Angry Birds. Or maybe it's Daddy obsessed with Angry Birds.
He asked me to play.
Are you playing too?
No, I'm not. I'm taking video of you.
There you go.
Where's Lukey going? Luke, you still got your hat on? Oh, good. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, your hat fell off. Your hat. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, you going to put it back on? Dad, look at this. Dad, look at that. His hat fell off. Oh, no, he's going to eat it. Put it back on. Okay. It's getting kind of dark in here. Goodbye.